Welcome to another ABS online video. Come and talk with us. I think it's my favourite sound today. Really? What is it? Well, we spell it L-E. Le. No, but we say it all, like apple, L-E makes all. Yes, it always goes at the end of words. Well, let's look at some words. Table, middle, bottle, apple, handle, puddle, purple, little, noodle. Now, let's try to use some questions. Look out for the all words in the questions and the answers. Is the puddle big? No, a puddle is always little. Can a noodle be purple? I have never seen a purple noodle. Where is the door handle? The handle is near the middle of the door. Can you see my water bottle? Your bottle is on the table. Now, we are going to try something new. We are going to make mistakes. Can you see what we get wrong? We might have to think. The little boy is playing football. Can you see the mistake? I think the word little has got a B in the wrong place. Let's see. The little boy is playing football. We got the word little wrong. It's right now. I like the blue apple. Oh, I think that mistake is easy. Is it blue? No. I like the green apple. That was an easy one. The purple drink is big. Well, that looks okay. Purple, big. Can you see the mistake? Look at the first letter. The first letter in a sentence has to be a capital letter. So, it's correct now. The purple drink is big. The tall boy is in the middle. Well, I don't think it's a boy. What should it say? Well, I think it's a girl, but she's certainly in the middle. Let's look. The tall girl is in the middle. Door handle is gold. Well, let's see. Everything has got the right spelling. We've got capital letter and full stop. What's wrong? Shall we see? The door handle is gold. We need to put the before the noun. The door handle is gold. The bottles is on the table. Okay. We've got a capital letter. I think everything is spelt correct. The bottles is on the table. Well, bottles with an S, that means more than one. But we've only got one bottle. I think we need to take away that letter S. The bottle is on the table. Oh, that really made me think. I like the words today. Oh, it's a good sound. Oh. Let's look at them again. Table, middle, bottle, apple, handle, little, purple, puddle, noodle. 9 great words that all use the "or" sound. Now, do you remember what we always say? Use the words today. Don't let them slip away. Have a nice day, guys. Bye. We hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please subscribe and help us grow and grow.